I will talk about how can you delete your account on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on you down here. So when you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above settings, click on it here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on account security, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, come here to delete your Temu account, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here and you click here on I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Just click in this sign and you click on continue, then you give them a reason, then it's going to delete your account. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.